In this module, we're going to talk about creating a new YouTube channel, how to strategically use channels to further dominate YouTube. Yes, I know creating a YouTube channel is probably the least exciting thing you've heard in a long time, but I think you're going to be excited about creating channels once you learn how to use them. I'm going to show you in this video. Your goal is to create a main channel. That's your golden goose, and then a test channel or a series of test channels. And then we're going to split test, track, and analyze all the activity and do some things with the test channels you might not want to do with your golden goose main primary breadwinning and traffic getting channel. The cool thing about YouTube is that you can create multiple YouTube accounts on the same computer or the same IP, meaning the same internet connection. I have 4 right now. I would not suggest you go more than that. The lower the better. Always play it safe. However, with YouTube channels, you can have a lot more channels. So you can have one YouTube account and have 5, 6, 7 YouTube channels that are sort of a part of that parent YouTube account. So that's where things get really exciting. So we're going to tell you how to set that up and how to use channels to your advantage in this video. So the big question is, why create 2 or more channels for your YouTube account? Well, a couple of reasons. First of all, channel pages rank. You'll find they rank within Google itself. I've seen channel pages rank on Google as well. So definitely want to target certain key phrases if possible with your channel pages and how you name your channel pages. Second of all, you probably want to silo your content into a related channel. For example, if you have videos on health and fitness, you may not want to mix those up with the same videos related to technology or related to maybe marketing online, whatever it might be. So you can create a specific channel for the health related stuff, a specific channel for technology, a specific channel for internet marketing. And obviously those audiences are very unique as well. So let's sort of dive in and give you some examples in a second here. If you type into YouTube WordPress hosting reviews, you'll notice that the number 2 listing here is actually a channel. So you see the channel name here is actually WordPress Hostings. Well, YouTube thinks that this channel is related to WordPress hosting reviews so much that it's going to give it the number 2 ranking on this particular for the particular key phrase. Another example is if you go into YouTube and type in 6-pack abs, you'll see that the number 3 video here is a channel called 6-Pack Shortcuts. You've probably seen this guy's ads everywhere on YouTube. Very, very aggressive. I suggest you follow what he does because he's doing many, many things right and making a lot of cash on YouTube as well. So just to give you an idea, so your channel pages will and can rank on YouTube if you strategically choose the correct key phrase to add into the actual channel name itself. So I'm not saying you should do this for all of your YouTube channels. Depending on how you're going to grow your business and what you're focusing on, it may make sense to have specific channels targeted around specific target keywords to try and also bump up your rankings in YouTube for your actual channel name as well. So let's go ahead and actually create a new channel name in the YouTube, and I'll show you how it's done. So to create a new YouTube channel, the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your YouTube account. And once you've logged in, look up way up in the right-hand corner here. You can click on the icon and it'll actually give you a few options here. So we're going to go to YouTube settings. Now this changes frequently, so if you see a screen that looks different, I apologize. Honestly, it seems like every 2 months they're changing something on YouTube and it's hard to even keep up. You'll see at the bottom here, there's an option called Create a New Channel. And all you simply do is just name your channel and whatever you want to call it. Just as an example, I'm not saying this is the best channel name to use. Category, I find the category doesn't really have an impact on what you're doing. So you can put company, institution, organization, or you can put in arts, entertainment, or sports. It really depends. I mean, it's unless you are a product or a brand, then of course you can choose anything here that you want. I find it doesn't really have an impact on your rankings at all. So go ahead and put that in there. And click on the agree button, click on done, and that's basically it. You just created your second YouTube channel. As I said, use this to your advantage because if you're looking at really targeting specific key phrases or want to have a whole host of videos under your health and fitness channel and another whole host of videos under your technology reviews channel, you can, as you see, use this and slot in those target keywords into each channel accordingly, rather than mixing them all together and making one big pot of soup, which isn't really going to target a specific audience. So I hope this helps.